Hello friends, how are all of you? Hope you are doing well. I am fine. Today I have come to discuss on adverb and its classification. What is adverb? The word which modifies or qualifies verb or adjective. In some cases even it qualifies adverb is called adverb. The word which modifies verb or adjective. In some cases, it modifies adverb is called adverb. Adverb three kinds. You can say that, sir, how an adverb modifies another adverb. You can ask in this way. Okay, he walks very slowly. Slowly is an adverb. But before slowly, very is another adverb. That means of it, very modifies the word slowly in this way. Okay, let's get started. I am telling again that the word which modifies or qualifies a verb or adjective, or in some cases adverb, is called adverb. Adverb is classified into three kinds: simple adverb, interrogative adverb, relative adverb. Simple adverb, the adverb which denotes manner, time, place, degree, frequency or order. But it will be difficult for you to remember these classifications of simple adverbs. So you don't need to memorize those classifications. Just say only that simple adverb. It will denote time. It will denote manner, quickly, slowly, properly, appropriately, surely, absolutely, these types of words. Then time, when the adverb modifies time, in that case you can say that yesterday, tomorrow, lately, soon. It denotes frequency, once, twice, thrice. If it denotes sequence, firstly, secondly, thirdly. So you can follow these types of words are actually simple adverb. I am repeating that simple adverb is categorized or is classified into 7 kinds, but it will be difficult for you. So at this moment you don't need to memorize those ones. But these types of words are simple adverb. Try to understand. Time, place, and manner. Manner means here quickly, slowly, properly, these types of words. Okay. Interrogative adverb. The adverb which is used to ask question is called interrogative adverb. Such as, when is it coming? Where are they going? How can they do it? Why have you done it? In this way you can make question. Relative adverb, the adverb which comes after time, place, the way or the reason, but the word relates with the antecedent or the time, place, or the way or the reason is called relative adverb. If you make sentence, I know when he comes, that means here the time, I know the time when he comes. After the time when is added here. In this way, I ask them where they are going. I know how they write. Relative adverb. And those words are used to work as the activity of conjunction. I asked why they had done it. Okay, I would like to repeat it again. Adverb. What is adverb? The word which modifies verb or adjective. In some cases, adverb is called adverb. Adverb is classified into three kinds. Simple adverb. I have told you that simple adverb is classified into seven kinds, but it will be difficult for you at this moment. So just try to follow these types of words. Adverb of manner, quickly, slowly, properly, surely. Adverb of time, yesterday, tomorrow, last night, last day, lately, soon. Adverb of place, here, there, everywhere. Adverb of degree, very, absolutely, extremely. Adverb of frequency, once, twice, thrice. In this way. Adverb of sequence, firstly, secondly. Interrogative adverb, the adverb which are used to ask question is called interrogative adverb. When, where, how, why. When are they coming? In this way you can make sentence. Relative adverb, after the adverbial word, time, place, the way, the reason comes there, these types of words. But these words relates to the words time, place, the way, or the reason, and it is called at the time relative adverb. That means you can see that I know when it comes. Here the time. That means it relates when the word relates with the word time. I know the time when he comes. I asked them their living place. If I tell that, I asked them about their living place. I asked them where they were living. That means where, the place indicates here. I know how they write. I asked why they had done it. At first, write down the words and try to make sentence using these words. I hope there will be no problem. There will not be any type of problem. If you feel problem, just write on comment box. Friends, I am always ready to help you. If you think that the content, the lesson is useful, please subscribe to my channel to inspire me, to motivate me. I will come back again with another lesson. Till then, bye bye.